Good afternoon, guys. Guys, how are you today? I'm going out to get ready for going to Albert Hall Music Festival with my mum today. So let's get ready. So, this morning I had a line this morning with a fan on, and it's actually amazing. Actually, and it's so hot last night. My fan's actually still on. And it's on already because I am actually really hot again today. So yeah. So yeah. So I'm getting ready. We're going to get some dinner first. So put makeup on first, get some dinner, and then be ready. We're going out to Albert Hall Park because it's a music festival there. So I am getting ready now. I'm getting lunch first, and then I'll be ready. We're going to Albert Hall Park Music Festival to see Michael Ryan. So Harry from Edson House, he's actually poorly. So I don't know what's the matter with him, so I just don't know. I went to work on Tuesday and Thursday. I got a new job at Booths. So I'm leaving Kendall Bubble Club this Thursday. So, yeah. I got no foundation because there's none left. So I'm using my concealer. Today. So, yeah. My mum and dad's at work today and tomorrow. And my mum's in on Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, I think. I went swimming on Friday to see Karen Noble, Nicole Metcalf, and Sam. It was actually amazing. And Kim was there as well, so yeah, I'm like, what the fuck? So yeah. So yeah. And I come back. So go back home, do my diary. this brusher here. It's like actually so good on my skin. It's not too much at all. And then went to got my blood test on Tuesday morning. Had it done already. And then I went to Little Miss Bakery for my grandma's 80th birthday party cake. So yeah, so got that done, and then I went to work. My best friend Fraser is coming to my grandma's 80th birthday party this year. So yeah, so I can't wait to see him. So now I'm using this brush with this. Michael Steele was on TV last night, on Wednesday night. So, about football. So yeah. Josh Marshall is coming back this Wednesday. I can't wait to see him. He's just back from Carrot Trust and Liverpool as well. So yeah. So that's done. Powder now. This is my new powder from Asda. I put that and then put it on my skin. This bit here actually glowing. And that side as well, so I'm actually happy for that. And you went to Chris Golf on Wednesday at Carris Breed. So I went there. So yeah. And then went back home. Went back to Last Step, Friends Club. I can't believe it's Saturday already. And 21st of June. It's almost my dad's birthday this week. So I can't wait to spend time with him. So yeah. He'll be 53. 52, actually not 52. 52, yeah, 53, 52 or 53, so I literally don't know yet. My mum's actually 51, so my dad will be 52. So, yeah. I wonder what's going to happen there. And also, I'll actually buy, I went to TikTok shop, I went to buy, new purse of mine. So I just bought that on TikTok shop. Coming this Tuesday. So fingers crossed, eh? Do my eyeshadows now. So do this one first. So yeah. I'm almost done now. I need to get some dinner. Yeah, my stuff started. Get some dinner. I'm on Instagram Live tonight. do that one again. Just going out. So yeah. Fizz is going back because he's went to Christmas party. Birthday party, I think. So yeah. Sticking onto the thing. My dad's went to work today. I've got mum today. And tomorrow. So, yeah. It's super hot today. Super hot. I know someone tonight, right? Ethan Johnson told me and my grandpa had a girlfriend. I said, no, fuck no. So, and I same question to Tom Bainbridge. And me and Michael Warren's not a public girlfriend, just friends, really. And guess what? Someone's coming back to the Friends Club. Charlotte Eccleston. Charlotte Eccleston is coming back this Wednesday. Because I literally told I asked Martha and Josh to help me out. So, yeah. I told them don't get involved. Just literally help me out, really. So, and he told me that last night that she gonna stay away from me and Michael. So Josh Martin just told me on TikTok last night, and he said that Charlotte needs to stay away from me and Michael. So yeah, so that's what we are going to do. If she anyway, I actually say a word to each other, to me and Michael are literally knowing it, and my friend Josh as well. So yeah, at first, we're gonna do that till rest tonight. because she almost brings drama to Face Club. I don't want any of it to Face Club at all. So she told me, basically, Michael Rawlins told me that Charlotte Eckerson actually is staring at me and saying my name. So that's what happened. And then so when I said the same question to Charlotte, and she still keeps saying no, and it's true. So you see, that's what Vagina's all about, really. From her, and then she told me it's all my fault. Like honestly, and she told no. First of all, she said, "Emily, shut up. It's your fault." Like, what the fuck? So that's what's going on last week. So, yeah, I'm like, what the fuck? So, bless me. So, yeah. So now it's coming again this Wednesday. Like, dude, if you want to be at a Friends Club, do that at a Friends Club. So, yeah, so that's what's been going on last week. Michael will tell me what's going on with Charlotte. If she keeps saying my name or not, he will let me know. And Sophie as well. Sophie Lauren. So, yeah. There's going to be more drama again this Wednesday, so I don't know. Can't leave my head down now. And I do makeup tutorials as well. Like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube channel. Like, it's amazing, really. I got 337 subscribers. So please, please click, keep pressing subscribers, guys. Keep on pressing subscribers. No, 431, that's it. 432, how to say? No, 437, that's the one. So 437 subscribers. So keep pressing subscribers till 100k, please. I got shorts on today and a top on today because I got a bit hot. I'm doing my glasses again as well. It's a bit dirty. So, yeah. We go to the Italian restaurant of 12th of July. So, yeah. So, yeah. So, and then I got Mayor's Parade after that on Sunday morning. And I will let me know on what time. So, yeah. So my makeup is all done now. See that, guys? Actually glowing. Look at that. See that? It's actually amazing. My makeup's actually really good. It's not much on, so I'm actually happy. I've got my necklace on as well, and you can see it. Purpley colour. And my best friend's bracelet on. So yeah, so how to do it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm an amazing. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.